The Bosch Dishwasher E30 error code indicates a power voltage problem, which can be caused by a system glitch, a power surge, or faulty wiring. To address this issue, it's essential to identify the underlying cause. If the problem is due to a system glitch, which is a rare occurrence, simply powering off the dishwasher and letting it rest for 10 to 20 minutes before restarting it may resolve the issue. Alternatively, inspecting the electrical wiring connection is crucial. Unplug the dishwasher and test the electrical wire connection for continuity, and visually inspect the wires for damage, such as frayed cords, worn-out wires, or corrosion. Any damaged wires should be replaced, and the machine restarted. If the error is caused by a power surge, which can be a result of frequent power interruptions, testing the power supply socket for continuity and measuring the voltage passing to the dishwasher is necessary. It's also important to refer to the manual to check the recommended voltage for the dishwasher and to avoid using extension cables with the washer. Using a power surge protector to connect the dishwasher to the main socket can help prevent damage from high voltage during power fluctuations. If none of these solutions work, it's best to contact a professional for further guidance.